Let's talk about the inverse square law in maths. It relates to gravity, electricity, the intensity of sound, light, and other types of radiation. Let's look at an example. Rita runs a deli where she spends a lot of time buttering bread for sandwiches. She needed a way to do this more efficiently. So she bought a butter gun. It was great. Rita could spray a single serve of butter with a pull of a trigger. But it was still a lot of work. After a few attempts, Rita noticed a pattern. Rita could spray a set amount of butter onto one slice at a certain distance. At twice the distance, she could butter 4 slices with a thickness of 1/4 of the original amount. At 3 times the distance, she could butter 9 slices with a thickness of 1/9 the original amount. Let's explain this pattern mathematically. If I is equal to the number of serves of butter per slice, when we're looking at a distance of 1d away from the butter gun, the I equals 1 serve per slice. When we're looking at twice the distance, we're looking at I equals 1/4. 1/4 is the same as 1 on 2 squared. If we're looking at 3 times the distance, we're looking at I equals 1/9, which equals 1 on 3 squared. Now, when you're having a look at this, let's have a look at a pattern. Now, if I also included this in the pattern, we can see that intensity is directly proportional to 1 on d squared. This translates to the thickness of the butter is inversely proportional to the square of the distance from the butter gun. This is called the inverse square law and is a universally recognized rule.